It's midweek. Welcome to Learn SQL in a month. Information Technology Midweek. I am Vitus Zekedze, CEO and founder of Vitus DK, Virtual Ideas to Software Development Knowledge. It would be my honor to take you through this journey of fun activities and engaging presentations and training to your journey towards SQL. So, what do we have in store for you? First up, you can log into our website to get all of the information. That is dkvitus.org/learn. On there, you can get onto events. Once you get to the events, you should be able to see SQL program session 1. So what do we have in here? First things first, what do you need in order to be able to get into this program? You need to be able to have a computer and an internet access. With a computer and internet access, you don't need any other prior knowledge. Why do I say that? Because this is a fundamentals course. The fundamentals course will be able to provide you with basic understanding of what SQL is, as well as many others. Who is this course meant for? If we're talking about the audience is for anyone that has to do anything with data. Almost everybody works with data. Be you a database administrator, a data analyst, or a data engineer, software developers. Even if you work as a manager and you have to pull data every now and then, SQL is a good skill to have. It's definitely going to give you a competitive edge over those that will be vying for the same positions or seeking for promotion in your position. Like I said, no prerequisites, and let's talk a little bit about what we are going to be covering. So we're gonna take a month to learn this skill, but within this month we'll be focusing on Saturdays, which you see in here in yellow, Sundays, which you see in here in red, and Mondays, which you see in blue. So Saturdays and Sundays during the evening or late afternoon, and Mondays, since most people will be at work, will definitely start in the evening. Now that said, it's going to cover 12 sessions, and we'll be covering the basic introduction to data and SQL. We'll also talk about how you can query a single table or multiple tables. After that, we'll dive into subqueries as well as functions. After we proceed from that, we need to be able to modify our data in one way or another. That will all take place during the first 2 weeks of our session. Following that, we're going to get into more interesting stuff, how we can automate stuff, how we can program stuff. So we'll dive into the 7th session, which would be on stored procedures on February the 18th. That will be a Saturday. Thereafter, we'll proceed with learning programming T-SQL. So far so good, and finally, to round up that week, on Monday would be creating objects. It could be temporary objects, views, or tables. And the final week we'll talk about tools. There are many tools out there. This is what's really going to drive your resume and push you to be able to get past these screens before you even get to an interview. So we'll talk about SQL tools, we'll talk about SQL in the cloud, and we'll present a final project as well as recap and presentation at the end of the day. I hope this encourages you to join us for a wonderful journey learning SQL in 1 month. It will be my honor, it will be my pleasure. I can't wait. Let's go have fun. Enjoy.